Okay, Rosetta, breathe in and breathe out. Woo! I needed that. So, you're overwhelmed, work isn't going well for you, you're having issues with your friends, and life, and family, and life is just stressing you out in general. It is okay to take a step back from people. Take a step back from things and focus on yourself. Re-energize your mind, because honestly, it's very unhealthy to be mentally and physically and emotionally drained. That is not good. So, when it comes to work, I always tell people to at least try to take a vacation off from your job. I was at my job for 5 years straight before I ever took a vacation, and I think taking vacations are one of the best things that I've ever did. Your friends and family are stressing you out. You don't dislike them, but step back. Step back and take some time away. It's good to have me time. It's good to have alone time. Focus on you. Bring yourself back. Get your energy back up. If you believe in meditation, I say you meditate. Woo-saw, take it all out. So I said the vacation thing. You can afford a vacation. It's a little pricey. Look for stuff around in your city or like in another city close by that's free, or limit to none. Had a rough day of work. I don't see anything wrong with go getting yourself like a little nice bottle of wine and taking a drink. Get yourself some seagrams, something. Just relax. Re-energize. Don't, when you get overwhelmed, don't be upset for being overwhelmed. Don't beat yourself down. Lift yourself up. Bring yourself back up. When you're overwhelmed, I think that's the time where you should figure out what's bothering you, and then that's when you should plan on making things better for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, re-energize, bring yourself back. I hope I'm making sense, because I feel like I'm just, having 1,000 thoughts in my head and just spitting out whatever. And I just want to end this by saying, don't just work hard and never play. Because at the end of the day, your job will replace you like this. In an instant. You can tell your job, hey, I'm looking for it. I'm out in 2 weeks. While you're still at your job, they will be looking for somebody while you're still working until your 2 weeks are up. So I'm telling you now, stop working hard and having no play. Enjoy your life at the end of the day. Don't live life for nobody else but yourself. Enjoy it. Don't be too overwhelmed. Don't be too stressed. Don't be stressing and focusing on the bad. Focus on the good. Focus on the positive. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? Ha! Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. Until next time.